afternoon. My name's Paul Mogford from Cronulla and Mogford Golf Strategies. We're here today looking at the first green, which is the start of a green reconstruction process that the club's entering into. There's plenty of action going on this afternoon with the lining of the bunkers with the capillary concrete. But what I wanted to discuss was just some of the thoughts behind our design for the first green. So you'll recall the original green was a very small green, quite linear. It's about 325 square metres, and it had 3 bunkers on the hole. There was one back left, which was largely ineffectual to the strategy of how you played the hole. There's 2 other bunkers. There was one short left and one short right, just over beyond where the new bunker is. So what we wanted to do with the new green was make a larger green, one that was more commensurate with the length of the hole, and we wanted to rationalise the bunkers. So what we've done is reduce the number of bunkers from 3 down to 2. So we've removed the left-hand short bunker, and what we've done with the front left, with the bunker on the left, was bring it forward and make it have much more impact on the way the hole plays, on the strategy of the hole. So you'll need to think a bit more about where you position your drive to keep that bunker having less impact on your approach shot. The bunker on the right, that's set a little further away from the green than the original bunker was. It's about 7 metres. So that allows a little bit more room between the bunker and the start of the green. So for those that are playing their second shots and needing to lay up, you can either lay up before this bunker, or you can lay up beyond it, just before the green, and get a nice chip up the heart of the green. So on the green itself, as I mentioned, the original green was 350 square metres, 325 square metres in fact. The new green is 450 square metres, so quite a bit larger. But what we've done is we've maintained what we call the heart of the green. And it's not dissimilar to the original size of the green, and it has a very simple front to back tilt. And then around the margins where we've expanded the green, we've introduced hollows and mounds, and the slopes of both of those features influence the margins of the green. So we can really, when we want to, put the pins in more precarious locations relative to those features. But in essence, you should be aiming for the heart of the green to keep the ball well in play. The other features of the green is the front half is really where the more simple pins will be able to be placed, and this is aided by the 2 mounds that flank the front of the green that will direct balls, or balls that are running in can slope back towards the middle of the green. And we've also got a false front which is slightly cupped, and that also will encourage running shots into the heart of the green. So we hope that's given you a good explanation of what the first green is going to play like. The next piece of work, I believe, is the 12th hole, where we'll be raising the fairway and providing a new green as well. And we've been busily preparing the plans for the construction of that. Thank you, and see you next time.